Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you 3 of the most useful widgets you should add to your Vivo Y01. So in order to add any widget, we'll need to press and hold our finger to the screen and select the widget options. And from this list you'll be able to add any widget that is available right here. So the first one we're gonna add is actually calendar, and you can do it by adding the calendar 4x6 and 2x4. And what it means, it's basically the size of the widget and how much space it's gonna take on your screen. So let's take the smaller one, 2x4. Add it to our screen, and from here you'll be able to see which day it is, which day of the month it is, and which month it is. You can also go to your calendar, press plus, and set reminder, for example. And you can do if you're going to the shop and you want to remind yourself to buy a cabbage, for example, you can write cabbage here, press save, and now when you be in the shop you'll remember to buy this cabbage. So that was the first widget. Let's move to the next one, but first let's remove the one because we don't need it right now and I want to show you more. So the next widget will be, let me find it, notes, and we're gonna add it here. And what it does is actually you just note things for yourself. So it works kind of like calendar, but calendar is more specific. So here you'll be able to write anything to just remember all the time. For example, the password or code for your doors or something like that. So you can just write any note here. For example, let's write something like the password. And now you'll see it here on your screen. So it's pretty useful to have, and you can add multiple of these as well. So now let's move to the next one, and the next one will be the Google search. It's really nice to have as well, because sometimes you forget where you put your Google button, Google app, like I just did. I honestly don't know where I put it, but that's why this widget is very useful, because you can just press on it and instantly start searching on your Google. So that was the 3 widgets you should add to your home screen on your Vivo Y01. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.